Welcome to Ballys on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to have a look at the resort room. Welcome to room 1878 at Ballys Casino in Las Vegas. We're going to give you a visual tour of our room. This is the resort king room. So you've got a single king bed. There's a bathroom. Pretty standard stuff. King bed is there. And we got two bedside lamps. A great view. Check out the window. Room's about, I'd say about 500 square feet. Maybe a little less. And the view is amazing. You've got even a sitting area, which is pretty neat, and of course a work area. And there's Wi-Fi in the hotel. We've got plenty of outlets to charge your electronics. And let's check out the furniture. This is the bedside clock. In the drawers, plenty of storage. This is a view of the room from the window. You've got a large TV mounted on the wall. And of course you've got a hot water heater, a fridge, a mini bar. More drawers, more storage space. A pretty nice room. We really liked it. You've got the little machine to heat up water for tea or coffee, if you like. And of course it comes with complimentary coffee and disposable cups. And that's the door out. That's the closet. Of course it comes with a safe, ironing board. Great for travel, business, and pleasure. Here's the bathroom again. You've got the mirror, really nice faucet. You've got your basic shampoo and conditioner, soap, plenty of towels, and extra toilet paper. There's your toilet. Very nice shower. The water pressure is actually really great. I was really happy about that. We are on the 18th floor. Shower's really nice. And that's kind of it. We wanted to just kind of walk you through the room. Again, very high quality room. We are on the 18th floor. There's no noise from the street below. And in the lobby, of course, there's a casino there, and there is smoking allowed, but there's no hint of that up here. This is a non-smoking floor, and the room smells fresh and clean. There's, of course, a sitting area. So again, this room is pretty good sized. I'd say, like I said, about 500 square feet. And again, you've got a single king bed there. So we're really happy with it.